Kit number 3, 4 and 5 for the genital ulcers. What could be the etiology of the genital ulcers? They could be due to syphilis, Trypanosoma pallidum, due to Haemophilus ducreyi, that is chancroid. Single painful genital ulcer is usually chancroid. Klebsiella granulomatis, granuloma inguinal, or chlamydia trachomatis, that is LGV, lymphogranuloma venerum, and herpes simplex. Multiple painful ulcer in the genitalia is genital ulcers due to herpes. So ulcer could be either painful or painless. The painless ulcers are syphilis and granuloma inguinal and lymphogranuloma venerum. Painful ulcers are chancroid, that is single painful ulcer. Most probably it occur in single painful ulcer, occur as single painful genital ulcer, and the herpes simplex. Now coming to the kit 3. Kit 3 का कलर जो होता है वाइट कलर की होती है. इन नॉन हर्पेटिक अल्सर्स के लिए होती है. जो ट्रीटमेंट इसमें यूज करते हैं वो बेंजाथीन पेनिसिलिन 2.4 मिलियन यूनिट, 1 वाइल 10 ml जो स्टेराइल वाटर होता है, दिस इज ऑल्सो सप्लाइड अलॉन्ग विद द किट, एंड 1 tablet ऑफ एजिथ्रोमाइसिन सिंगल डोज 1 gram. This is given in kit 3 and this is for the non-herpetic ulcers. And the etiology for the non-herpetic ulcer is painful ulcers के लिए आपका chancroid हो गया, and painless के लिए syphilis could be the cause, or granuloma inguinal, that means Klebsiella granulomatous can be a cause, या chlamydia trachomatis LGV can be a cause. Examination of the genitalia should be done for the presence of ulcer as well. अगर vesicle along with the ulcer is present is mostly in herpes. Painful ulcer along with the vesicles. Multiple ulcers are present in the herpes. And the kit 3 is for the non-herpetic ulcers. Non-herpetic ulcer का मैंने etiology बता ही दिया. Treatment is benzathine पेनिसिलिन सेंसिटिव इंडिविजुअल के लिए किट 3 है. पेनिसिलिन अगर एलर्जी टू द पेनिसिलिन है तो देन किट 4 इज गिवन फॉर द नॉन herpetic ulcers, and course is same if the symptoms persist and the complaint do not resolve after taking the treatment. Patient is called after 7 to 14 days. Complaint persists, then he or she should be referred, and if the complaint resolved, the health education, counseling and partner management has to be done. Partner management is essential in all cases of the STI and RTI. अल्सर का मैंने etiology बता ही दिया. Treatment is benzathine पेनिसिलिन सेंसिटिव इंडिविजुअल के लिए किट 3 है. पेनिसिलिन अगर एलर्जी टू द पेनिसिलिन है तो देन किट 4 इज गिवन फॉर द नॉन herpetic ulcers, and course is same if the symptoms persist and the complaint do not resolve after taking the treatment. Patient is called after 7 to 14 days. Complaint persists, then he or she should be referred, and if the complaint resolved, the health education, counseling and partner management has to be done. Partner management is essential in all cases of the STI and RTI. Kit 4 is of blue color. Blue color की होती है जैसा कि डायग्राम में दिख रहा है, and it's also for the non-herpetic genital ulcer, जैसा कि किट 3 non-herpetic genital ulcers की होती है और किट 4 भी. क्या फ़र्क है? किट 4 में जो दवाइयाँ होती है वो जो इंडिविजुअल पेनिसिलिन से सेंसिटिव है उसकी जगह एजिथ्रोमाइसिन, पेनिसिलिन की जगह यहाँ पे एजिथ्रोमाइसिन 1 gram सिंगल टैबलेट एंड डॉक्सीसाइक्लिन 100 milligram BD फॉर 14 days के लिए देते हैं. तो नॉन herpetic genital ulcers के लिए किट 4 है, likewise किट 3, but those individual who are sensitive to penicillin, kit 4 can be used. And rest of the management is same. Follow up after 7 to 14 days and check for the compliances, whether the complaints are resolving or not. If not, then they should be referred, and if resolved, then partner management as well as the counseling and health education has to be done for the patient. Now kit 5, color of the kit 5 is red color, and kit 5 is used for the treatment of the herpetic ulcers, and the characteristic features of the herpetic ulcers is multiple painful ulcers, and along with They can be single or multiple, but the multiple ulcers are more common. And along with the herpetic vesicles, these are the characteristic feature of the herpes ulcers present. And the kit used is the kit 5, and the drug used is the tablet acyclovir 400 milligram TDS for 10 days, and the course is same. Course of the treatment of herpetic ulcers: after giving the acyclovir 400 milligram TDS, and patient is asked to return after 10 days for the follow-up, and the compliance is checked whether the sign and symptoms are resolved. And the advice given is the sexual abstinent, and the contact tracing of the partner, the sexual contact in last 3 months. The patient having all the sexual contacts of the patient has to be treated. लास्ट 3 मंथ में जो भी जिससे भी उसका संबंध रहा उनको भी कॉन्टैक्ट ट्रेसिंग करके ट्रीट करते हैं. एंड इफ द सिम्टम्स आर रिजॉल्व, दे शुड बी एजुकेटेड एंड गिवन